Are you struggling to write that perfect essay? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's dive into the first step, understanding the essay prompt. Take the time to analyze the prompt thoroughly. Identify key terms, requirements, and objectives. For example, if the prompt asks you to analyze or evaluate, make sure you understand what those terms entail and how they should inform your approach to the essay. Now, on to step 2, brainstorming. This is where you generate ideas and gather evidence to support your thesis statement. Once you have a solid pool of ideas, it's time for step 3, creating an outline. An outline serves as a roadmap for your essay, helping you organize your thoughts and ensure a logical flow of ideas. Divide your essay into sections, including an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Each section should address a specific aspect of your topic. With your outline in hand, it's time to tackle step 4, writing the first draft. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Focus on getting your ideas down on paper. Write freely and allow your thoughts to flow. Remember, you can always refine and revise your essay later. And now comes step 5, editing and revising. This is where you polish your essay for clarity, coherence, and correctness. Pay attention to the organization of your ideas, the clarity of your arguments, and the mechanics of your writing, such as grammar and punctuation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to writing exceptional essays that impress your instructors and peers alike. So what are you waiting for? Arm yourself with these strategies and tackle that essay assignment with confidence and skill. And if you still need help afterwards, hit me up for a one-on-one. We can work. I'll help you write your essay.